Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to get a high score in Subway Surfers. Learn to swipe left, right, up, and down to avoid obstacles and collect coins efficiently. Use hoverboards, jetpacks, and other power-ups strategically to extend your run. Spend coins to upgrade power-ups in the shop to make them more effectively. Focus on collecting as many coins as possible during your run to unlock upgrades and characters. Complete daily missions and challenges to earn extra rewards and boost your score. Start your run with a head start to quickly gain momentum and distance. Stick to the center lane as much as possible to have more reaction time for upcoming obstacles. Learn the timing for jumps to clear gaps and obstacles smoothly. Swipe down just before landing from a jump to roll and avoid crashing. Collect tokens to activate minigames or gain additional bonuses during your run. Observe and memorize the patterns of obstacles and trains to anticipate upcoming challenges. Grab multiplier tokens to increase the score you earn from collecting coins. Keep your eyes ahead to react quickly to oncoming obstacles and changes in the environment. Activate the double coins booster from the shop to increase your coin earnings. Make efficient movements and avoid unnecessary swipes to maintain speed. Different characters have unique abilities. Choose one that suits your playstyle or mission objectives. Minimize crashes by being proactive with your swipes and jumps. Time actions like collecting mystery boxes and power-ups to avoid colliding with obstacles. Participate in special events and seasonal updates for exclusive rewards and challenges. Invest coins in upgrading hoverboards to make them last longer and provide them protection. Utilize boosters like super sneakers and coin magnets at crucial moments to maximize their benefits. Characters with multi-jump abilities can help you reach higher coins and avoid obstacles more easily. Save your revives for high-scoring runs or missions requiring long distances. And that's how to get a high score in Subway Surfers. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.